It's bullshit.
What's your name, buddy?
Huh?
What's your name?
Look, I'm already deceased. It's Robert Aaron Fouts. No shot. I'm deceased.
What's going on, Robert? Police.
I do not come in my house, honey. I'm not coming in my house. I'm right here at the door. Your my fucking number is RTH 131. And you're leaving. I'm not. Hey, Tyler. Get up here right now. Here. See that? See that, honey? See that? I'm the fucking Columbus cop too. It's 21312.
I'm the what?
He said he's a Columbus cop.
Is that a guy? I guess it sounds like a girl's voice, I thought, but I mean, per the call details, it would be the brother. It just kind of sounds like a girl yelling.
Oh. Hi. What's going on?
I'm pregnant. You know, hell no. Ask the Marathi, get the fuck out of here.
Come on out here.
Get the fuck out of here.
Come on out.
No, I'm not coming out. No, that bitch kept me. You can see I'm pregnant, huh?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm pregnant. I'm Asda Marathi. Asda Marathi. That woman right there keeps fucking on me. Like, you know who the fuck I am.
Okay,
I've never met you in my life.
Hey, 2131.
Doesn't mean
Black
anything.
Shore. I'm the fucking man and the woman.
Okay.
Asda Marathi. You know what the fuck's going on, right?
No.
No.
Yeah, the Clarion is getting ready to collapse.
Aaron, toss him, please.
It's bullshit.
What's your name, buddy?
Huh?
What's your name?
Look, I'm already deceased. It's Robert Aaron Fouts. No shot. I'm deceased.
What's going on, Robert?
Okay, the woman in here, Luann, okay. One minute she's okay. She's someone different. Here, I got pictures.
Okay.
I got pictures. Hold on. Wait till you see this shit. Wait till you see this shit. I went around my house.
Is this your house?
Yes, it is.
Can we step inside and talk with you?
Hold on.
All right.
Just hold on. She stole my stuff last night.
Who is she?
Who's she? Rick, help me how, honey? Huh? I don't need, you can take me to the hospital, right?
That's probably the best option.
Huh?
So that's probably the best.
No, my fucking phone's locked up. Because they keep fucking locking my phone up. Where's your certificate of your thing?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I want to see your certificate of your fucking training. Did you get trained? Huh?
Yeah.
Did you?
Why would I be here if I didn't?
Listen, I'm fine. I just want her to. I'll leave with him, okay? That's fine.
Robert, right?
It's Robert, yeah.
Robert,
I'm fine. I know
okay.
who you are.
So you seem a little bit
I am
manic.
pregnant. I am pregnant.
Okay.
I am pregnant.
Okay, but we're not here to talk about that.
No, I am.
What-
I'm sorry. I do work for the force. I'm sorry. You guys, listen, I don't know how you guys are taking up with this right now.
Robert,
This
do you
place is
take any kind of medication or anything?
No, I don't have to, honey.
I'm not saying you have to. I'm just asking you.
No, I don't know.
Okay. Do you have a doctor or you have a counselor you talk to?
Yeah, I do.
When's the last time you've talked with them?
I think go tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Is tomorrow Thursday?
No, not quite. It's Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday. I got Thursday.
You have an appointment on Thursday?
I feel bad now.
No, you're fine. What's your appointment for?
I feel bad.
Robert, what's your appointment Thursday for?
It's it's at 12:30.
Yeah, but what's it for?
Oh, it's a Lincoln Village, just lighthouse.
Oh, okay.
But what do you go there to talk to them about?
Okay, so I'm about ready to be on my A21312 Atlas or my Acnom. I used to have like a little addiction problem. I didn't take stuff. You can call Dr. Smith if you want.
Okay.
I'm supposed to be like out, like done and like stuff. I do have a house when I'm done. When I fully go to my woman's self.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what's going on tonight that we can help you with?
Well, what she's doing is, when she's good.
Who's she?
Luann.
And And where's she at?
She's right there. She was like, I don't know where she's at. Like, they keep making us fight.
Who's making you
It's, I
fight?
don't know, it's like something keeps, it's like the in and out stuff. It's they're in, they're out.
What do you mean?
Like she's in, she's out. And you know, heaven's gone. Jehovah lives over there.
Is she your aunt?
She is my aunt, yeah.
How long has she lived here with you?
Oh my God. Not long.
Okay. And who else lives here? Just
Ricky.
is it
One
just
minute's
the,
Ricky and 1 minute's
is it just the three of you?
And Heather. And there's people coming in and out that I can't see because they told me I'm here.
Yeah.
To me, I'm already in IT 1, 2, 3, 4. CP. You can take down my real. You can take down my badge. I'm Mackenzie.
Okay.
So Robert, I mean, if I'm being real with you, Robert, I think you would strongly benefit from talking to somebody tonight.
Yeah,
I'll ride with him if that's fine.
Well, I think that he's kind of concerned with how you're acting, and he would prefer we give you a ride.
Like to where, like,
Yeah.
Where would you like to go?
I don't know. Where am I going to go? She's trying to get me out of here. She don't want me to live here.
Well, I think right now they're more concerned with kind of how you're feeling in your head right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we'd like to help you with that.
Right.
Okay. You want to take a ride with us, like Doctors West, or LSU?
We'll take you to whatever hospital you prefer, Robert.
What am I going to do there, though?
So I think it would
I think it would benefit
connect you with some resources that would try to help you kind of calm down what's going on in your mind right now. Because I mean, you're not resting right now. You don't seem like you're in a content place in your mind. Is that fair to say?
I'm fine. Listen. I've been around for a very, very long time.
Yeah.
You already know.
Okay.
At least I know who you are. You're
Okay.
Lucifer.
Yeah. No, I've not met you personally.
I got
But
you out of that place. And listen, you don't let anybody touch that.
I try not to.
Listen. I had you. Azamati had you. I don't know what
okay.
happened to that man.
Robert, would you be willing to? What's your brother's name?
Ricky.
Ricky. So, Ricky's calling concerned about you. Okay. Ricky's concerned about you. I think your aunt's concerned about you.
Yeah. Well.
And you're telling me that they're going to take you to the hospital.
Well, she says you're going to sleep under a bush.
So no, they're telling.
I'm not going to sleep under a bush and I'm pregnant. You know what I mean? How am I going to do that? You know what I mean?
So Robert,
I get it.
do you go to a hospital very often?
No, I really don't.
What's the last hospital you've been to?
The last hospital I've been to, it's probably Doctors West. It's been on very, very.
How was that experience at Doctors West?
I honestly haven't been. Because I haven't really had. I'm
been a
not
long
sick.
time.
I don't get sick.
Yeah.
I got like a little.
Have you
sore
gone
throat.
for anything else to the hospital recently?
Not really. No.
Okay. Would you like to go talk to somebody tonight about what's going on?
I'm fine. Honestly, I'm really fine tomorrow. I'm going to the doctor tomorrow. So.
On Thursday, right?
Well, that's 2 days away, and right now, I mean, do you know what time it is right now? Without looking,
Yeah, it's like what is it like? 3:30.
3:30.
About 3:38.
No, it's not. It's not that late, but it's it's a little after midnight, and
Look, hold on. I got some. Hold on. Let me see my shit, okay? Let me show you my shit.
are they even really willing to
Have
talk
you
to
ever
us?
seen that shampoo before in the United States?
Robert, can we step in and talk with you and Ricky?
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Is that okay if we
That's
step
fine.
in and talk
That's fine.
with you and Ricky?
Yeah. I'm gonna get something to drink about the
Yeah, sure. Hello.
How's it going?
Yeah, how you doing, buddy?
Sounds like
Yeah, we're doing.
Yeah.
pool.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
I appreciate your help.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, and just so your brother, you're his aunt,
Yeah.
and
Cousin.
cousin.
Yeah.
All right. Well, yeah, we'll get him up there, and
All right,
hopefully,
buddy.
hopefully things go better for him.
Sorry to
okay?
interrupt your night. But
No, don't be sorry at all. Call us when you need us.
All right,
Okay.
buddy. Take care. Have a good holiday.
Yes, sir. You
Yeah,
too.
we'll see you.
Lord. All right, buddy.
Crazy, huh? Crazy, huh?
You?
No, I'm just saying this whole thing.
Oh, no, that's.
Oh, that's fucking-
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah, you're buckled in. There you go.
Think I can get out?
Yeah, here you go.
It's a rubber again.
What's that?
It's a rubber beans. It's my your back.
I do not. They might in there.
I sure hope that I'm getting. I paid $2,000 today for this conveyor board that we keep flying on. See down, back down on there. That's